Today's quickie is something that I've been making for a long time. This is something that used to show up at our infamous work potlucks. Today we're going to make cream cheese pinwheels. We're going to start out by washing up a small bunch of green onions. Now we're going to chop these guys up. After that, we're going to add these to our bowl. Next, we're going to add a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. I've got a 12-ounce tub of whipped cream cheese. Certainly you can use regular cream cheese, but the whipped just makes this process so much easier. That's it, only those 3 ingredients. Now we're going to blend those up. See how easy this whipped cream cheese is blending? Trust me when I tell you that the regular cream cheese is not this easy to work with. Next, we need a package of flour tortillas. So here we go. 1 flour tortilla. And we're just going to add some of our cream cheese mixture. Let's spread that around evenly on our tortilla. You don't want this super thick, just enough to coat the entire tortilla. Now, we're going to roll this up. And now we're going to slice these into our pinwheels. The end pieces aren't very pretty. We're going to transfer these onto a plate. Turn them on their side so they're pretty. And voila! Depending on how thick you spread the cream cheese mixture, you can probably plan to get 4 or 5 tortillas out of this batch. We're going to serve ours with a little bit of salsa. Guys, this is a perfect, quick and easy dish to throw together for your company's potluck, for a party you might be having, or anytime you need to throw together something that's quick, easy, and delicious. In case you haven't noticed, I've started putting a music trivia question at the end of my quickie videos. So be sure to stick around to the end and test your music knowledge. I'll see you next Thursday for another quickie. Enjoy the rest of your week and keep jamming.